Inequalities. When you bend your right elbow, you will get the greater than sign. Like that. That's it there. When you bend your left elbow, like this, you will get the less than. Now in the primary school, you were told that the crocodile eats the bigger number. So you can see the crocodile eating the bigger number. Now if 10 is greater than 4, it makes sense that 4 is less than 10. Can you see the less than sign? Now if you want the primary school way, can you see that the crocodile eats the bigger number, or the fish, I could call it a fish, eating the bigger number. So 4 is less than 10 and 10 is greater than 4. Your right elbow bent and your left elbow bent. You'll be asked to tell the examiners what integers are represented in an interval like this. So if you look at this is saying any number, of course you don't want fractions or decimals because it's integers, so any number which is less than 5. I told you your left elbow when it's bent is less than, so let's write less than there. So any number less than 5 will be in this interval range, but those numbers that are less than 5 have to be up to -2. So this part is telling you any number that is greater than or equal to -2. Why are we saying greater than? This is a less than or equal to sign. However, if I put this letter in front and put this number over there, this sign will change. It's like saying 2 is greater than 1. If I put the 1 here, 1 is less than 2. Can you see? So when you swap the numbers, this sign will change. So if 2 is greater than 1 and 1 is less than 2, it makes sense that this is saying x is greater than or equal to -2. That's what this part is saying. So the numbers we want are numbers that are less than 5, but those numbers have to be greater than or equal to -2. So the integers, for you to pass your GCSE maths question on this, will be, let's start from 5. Any number less than 5, we have 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less, 1 is less, 0 is less, -1 is less. Where do I know how to stop? It says or equal to. This bar here alongside says or equals to, so I have to include -2. So these are the integer values. So if I write that out properly, we should have -2 because of that bar, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, if there was a bar underneath this, we would have included the 5 because it would have meant that it says less than or equal to 5. But it doesn't have a bar underneath it, so we can't include the 5. So less than 5, that's 4. So we're going to stop at 4 and stop at -2 on this side.